Balance in nature. The balance between the number of plants and animals in nature needs to be maintained. If there is a sudden increase in the number of animals, the food and oxygen supplied by plants may not be sufficient for animals. If there is a sudden decrease in the number of animals, then carbon dioxide supplied by animals may not be sufficient for plants. Thus, we need to protect both plants and animals. Ecosystems are organized in a state of balance where one species coexists with the other species and also with the environment. Ecological imbalance occurs when a natural or man-made cause disturbs the natural balance of an ecosystem. Causes of imbalance. Ecological imbalances occur due to both natural and man-made causes. Natural causes: volcanic eruptions, floods, drought, cyclone, tsunami. Man-made causes: introduction of a new species, deforestation, forest fire, pollution, overhunting of a species. Natural causes such as flood and volcanic eruptions destroy a large area at once, leading to destruction of many plants and animals. Deforestation or forest fire lead to loss of vegetation and habitats of many wild animals. Hunting and poaching lead to reduction of number of animals and extinction of many species. All these cases are the causes of imbalance in the ecosystem. If the imbalances are severe, then it is difficult to recover the ecosystem